Hello guys, this is 2012 Soulful. Today I'm going to teach y'all how to make heavy duty butt connectors. What you're going to need here is some copper pipe, like what I have right here. A little wire brush as you see right there, or battery terminal cleaner, that's what that is. As well as a hacksaw right here, or a way to cut your pipe. It could be a Dremel or even a pipe cutter. So let's get started on it. First thing I like doing personally, I like to clean the inside of my pipe here. You don't have to do it before you cut it, but I find it makes it a little easier because the pipe's not flopping around, or you can hang on to it a little better, keep it from moving. So just clean it up real good like that. And I don't personally mark how long it is, but I generally do about 1.5 inches. Eyeball 1.5 inches here. Let's see. Make sure that's still on camera. Okay. About right here. Then all you gotta do is start cutting it. I generally, when it gets about right here, I just break it off like that. Then come back and clean up the inside of it with my wire brush. See if you get that on camera. Like this. And that's about all, guys. Right there is a super inexpensive heavy duty butt connector. Make sure the inside's clean so you have a good connection when you're using this connector here. And that's how to make inexpensive heavy duty butt splice for really thick wires. I'm saying it would probably go between well, what I'm using is for 6 gauge, but it could probably be a 0 gauge wire, because that's about 1/2 inch copper piping what I'm using here. So, well, that's all I have from this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. As always, like and subscribe, guys. Till next time, guys, take care.